it is still part of the rule of law for a change in leadership when a leader has become incompetent. And that incompetence can be either physical or in some instances moral. But the church has not taken a stand. Yun nga, kumbaga, you were saying rule of law kaya hindi pinapatalsik. It's still rule of law in the manner, in the change of leadership.
While I may agree doon sa sinasabi mo na pagpapatalsik, bahagi ng rule of law yan. Pero malinaw naman kasi yung panawagan namin dito na di kinakailangan kasi kailangan ba talagang palitan yan? Parang sinasabi mo kanina na inept o di ka inefficient. Yung ganong judgment, siguro hindi namin makita hindi ko makita. Di ba? Judgment na yun You are not trying to describe the quality of a leader. So maaaring kulang kami sa kaalaman, di ba? Kaya hindi kami talaga basta-basta kumbaga gagalaw. Kinakailangan malaman muna natin ang lahat ng bagay before we even judge a person. So pinanggagalingan ko dito bilang isang churchman. While there may be allegations, kaya nag-conclude tayo, inefficient siya, inept siya. Pero conclusion na yun kami, hindi namin makita siguro. Meaning to say, ano ba talaga? Ano ba yung pinanggagalingan nito? Kasi pwede ding sabihin natin, political lang yan Kakaiba kasi ng partido So we don't want to be caught up in the middle. We want to be sure na kung meron kaming gagawing desisyon dito, it's an informed decision.